In this video, we're going to make an upgrade to the base Modular Automated Task Tracker to create an automatic sort. And this will work in two ways. One is if you have another task on there, for example, the recurring task, it's out of order. So you can click on Automations, Priority Matrix, and it will automatically sort based off of the deadline. And if there's multiple that happen on the same date, it will sort based off the priority as well. On top of that, if you change the deadline right here, it will automatically change the row to go based off of that priority matrix. So you can see right there, it adjusted automatically. And if you don't want the on-edit functionality, where whenever you update the deadline, it will automatically move the row, I'll show you how to remove that portion, so that way it only will function whenever you click Automations, Priority Matrix. And if you're randomly stumbling upon this, let me show you how the base functionality of this task tracker works. Whenever you add a task, the timestamp will appear under Task Added. Whenever you mark it as pending, a timestamp will appear under Task Started. And whenever you mark it as done, a timestamp will appear under Task Completed. And it will completely move from this list to the bottom of your Done tab. So you'll have a list of everything that you've completed over time. And all recurring tasks are automatically added whenever they need to be completed again. And you can either add them with this drop-down button, or you can set it up super easily for them to be added while you sleep. And if you haven't built or bought the base version yet, make sure to go check out that video or go to sheetsbyolan.com, because this video is going to show how to upgrade that base version to include this priority matrix. And before we dig into this tutorial, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notify, and let's dive in. So right here we have a base model, and you can tell by automations it only has add recurring, it does not have the priority matrix. And also if I double click, change the date, it will not move without being moved manually. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to sheetsbyolan.com, go to automation codes, and then it should default to AppScript. If you scroll down here, you'll see two different ones that kind of have a sort function with modular. And the reason why there's two is because there's two different parts of the code that we need to update. So I split it to make things easier on you. So the first thing we'll do is create the actual code itself. So I'll click on Modular Priority Matrix Sort, and then we're simply going to copy raw file. And you can click this little button right here. We'll go back to our tracker, then go to Extensions, AppScript, and then all the way down at the bottom, we're simply going to paste that code. And if you've done other upgrades and it's not in the exact order, it doesn't matter because this function kind of lives alone in this code. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to copy the .add item all the way at the top, all the way through the closed parentheses. We're going to go through the end of that text and press return and paste it just below. Now this is where you're going to update the menu items. So if you don't want the menu option name to be the same as what I have, then you can change that right here. So instead of add recurring, I'm going to put priority matrix. And priority matrix is what you're actually going to see as the menu option. Now instead of calling copy recurring tasks as a function, we need the new function. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and copy sort by deadline. Then go back to the top, make sure you leave the soft quotes, delete, and paste. I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then let's go ahead back to the task list, refresh the page because it will update on open, and you should see it right here. So go ahead and make sure that some things are out of order, and then let's go ahead and test it out. So automations, priority matrix, if it worked correctly, you should see that it resorts, and you have this little pop-up in the bottom right-hand corner. Now, the next thing we want to do is add the on-edit function. So over here to the left, or from the main screen, you can go there as well. We're going to click on Modular Priority Sort on Edit, and we're going to copy raw file. We'll go back to Extensions, AppScript. Then now where it says Function on Edit, and it simply says Add Timestamp, Move Done, we're going to delete that and paste what we just had. Now this is going to look a little bit different. Reason being is that we have two different types of on edit. The first one is going to do the Add Timestamp and the Move Done, just like it normally did. And that's going to run based off of every single edit that you do. The second type of on edit though is only going to run based off of if column 5, which is column E, where the deadline is edited. So we only want to pay attention to when column 5 is edited. If it is, then we're going to sort it based off of the deadline. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, go back to my task list. Let's go ahead and refresh this page, and let's double click to test it out. So instead of the 7th, let's say the 14th, and it should go to the bottom where it says 14. So it's working exactly as we want. It sorts by the deadline, so we have everything on the 14th, and then it sorts by the priority based off of that. One thing to pay attention to is if you're filling out a new tab, go ahead and skip the deadline until after you do this task focus. Reason why I say that is if I go ahead and put whatever this is, say not started, let's say this one is a high, and then I'm going to put this as the 8th. If I go to update this, sometimes it will move before I have the chance to complete the task focus. So I usually like to do the task focus and then I like to do the deadline. Otherwise it's going to sort before I can finish it. So if you play around with this a little bit, you find that annoying, all you have to do to get rid of that is go to extensions, app script, and then all you have to do is delete this second part right here. So I'm gonna go right here, all the way through where it says 2, press delete. Let's go ahead and save that. We'll refresh the page. And now if I double click and change this, it will not automatically adjust, but I still have this priority matrix automations button right here, where if I click that, it will run the script and it will sort based off of whenever you're ready instead of whenever the deadline is updated. So it's entirely up to you what your preference is. And that's everything. So let me know in the comments what you think of this upgrade, as well as if you have any other upgrades that you want to see in my future videos. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and follow for more.